That's right, guys. We are about to pick up the Ram, and I am super excited to see what it looks like, guys, because we got some new wheels on the truck, and you won't believe it's going to be a big change, So the Ram's got new shoes, and I'm fixing to show you, and I also got a little surprise in there for you that we did something also to the truck that I did not tell you guys about. Fixing to stop over here, Extreme Performance, and let's check out. So we are here, guys, at Extreme Performance, and I'm gonna tell you what, this truck is amazing, guys. Check this out. Look at this, guys. We got the new fuels on there, the chargers. What? That even looks like a different truck, bro. Like, come on, man. We're ready to go for a ride. We're ready to get these things dirty, boys. Just kidding. It's time to have some fun. Let's go inside and check out the boys in here. There's the man right there. If anybody's looking for a truck to be upgraded, car, whatever, what do you guys offer, Adam?
Everything under the sun.
Everything?
Any accessories, lift, flooring,
Hey, you guys want to check out Extreme Performance? Adam's the man. What's your phone number, Adam?
772-221-1510.
Hey, man, give this guy a call. Hey, they ship their cars all over the world just to come to Extreme Performance, man. You got to check it out. All right, guys, we made it outside. Super happy, guys. One little adjustment that we got to make. It's not their fault. It's fuel's fault. I'm gonna point that out to you guys. So make sure if you order these wheels, there's a few modifications that you're gonna have to do because fuel did not take care of that before they created it. So check it out. So here we go again. Looks like a total different truck. This is the fuel charger wheel. It is a two-tone glossy black. I wanted to go with that glossy black wheel, and it's not a regular brushed aluminum. This is going to be a smoked aluminum. So depending on which way you look at it, it's going to look black. But here in the back, as I wanted to kind of point out, is we don't have the center cap on there. So the reason why we don't have a center cap is because this sticks out a little bit further. So for some reason, fuel's got to get that fixed. If not, I mean, we could sand it down a little bit, make it work, or we can put a small spacer on it. But these are a 20 by 10. So your 20 by 10s is going to stick out, and it does stick out a little bit further than those RVP wheels. So, and just to show you guys, I did not show you earlier in the video, but we got the tail lights smoked out, guys. Woo! Smoke. We call that smoke rear end right there. That's the smoke rear end. So guys, let me know what you guys think about these new wheels that I just put on the Ram, and I'll give you guys an update. You can't really tell the center cap's on, that's not on there, but it is a little aggravating because that was the whole point of getting new wheels. The good thing is all my lights are working. If you can see, all my lights are working under there. So that was another thing, is after I put these tires on there, I kept having valve stem problems, and I had also lost a sensor. Supposedly lost a sensor, but they said they reset everything and the light came back on, so we're good. So yeah, we're going to be heading out tomorrow, guys, to get the Tesla, drive it back, and stay tuned for that video. But I do appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit the bell notification on the side so you get all the new videos that are coming out, and get you some merch, guys. We'll see you on the next one.